We divide 787 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 8 and it is 28. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 7 and it is 37. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 787 divided by 5 is 157 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.